Hi, my name is Logan Lambert, and I have worked with Fairfax County elections for probably 12 or 13 years. I have been an assistant chief for 10 of them and a chief for 4, and the rest I was an election officer.
Hi, I'm Larilyn Andre. I have lived in Virginia since 1971. I have worked for 32 elections. I was your boss as chief election officer for 16 years, and now you're my boss for the past 4 elections.
I think one of the most exciting things is when someone comes in for their first.
We make a
the
big deal out of
the
that.
ID cards are sideways,
Yeah.
and you know that they haven't turned 21 yet, so.
I think, working as an election officer is an honor as well as a unique opportunity. You get to know the people, and even if you don't work in your own neighborhood, that becomes your new community.
Oh yeah, I don't work, the precinct that we work at is not the one that
Not mine
that
either.
I vote at.
It's been interesting working with you. I really enjoy it, and as the election officers will tell us, we beg to work with each other all the time.
Yeah, I remember the first time working with you. That was the first time that precinct had opened.
Right.
So it was a new experience for both of us.
It was so great when you started. You're a perfect example of the enthusiasm that a new worker has, be they young, old, middle-aged, whatever. We need all sorts of people, not just young people. We can take retired people, people who work nights and are free during the day.
I've had a couple of my friends do it with me.
Yeah. So there are lots of opportunities, and we need lots of people. So we need workers. Come on out and join us. It's fun, really, seriously, people. We have a good time. I remember when I first started, I was so nervous. How am I going to know what to do? But you know what? The election office here is amazing.
I want to encourage everybody to take part in being an election officer. It's a sense of duty and honor to work at the Fairfax County elections. Apply online at fairfaxcounty.gov/elections/officers/apply.